We're tracking a little bit of cloud cover showing up this morning. Again, that's going to be giving that sunrise a gorgeous color. If you missed it, here's what it looked like, at least on the west side of Columbia. This is out at that Callaway Bank camera. Some nice pink color to the sky as we get into today. Certainly, definitely a spring-like look to things and a spring-like feel as we get into this afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, at least early on. Those clouds going to continue to increase, so will the wind, gusting up around 25 miles per hour later today. But that's going to bring back in those temperatures to near 70 degrees by this afternoon. It's also going to bring back the moisture as we go throughout the day. Again, dew point temperatures starting out around 30 degrees, but you don't have to go too far to our south to get into a little bit better moisture, and that's going to play a role later on tonight. Here's how Feature Track brings all this together. There's those temperatures topping out in the low to some of us may sneak up into the middle 70s as that cloud cover continues to filter back in, and even hanging on to the 60s as we go throughout this evening. But rain chances start to sneak back in to the picture by 9 and 10 o'clock. Again, fairly sporadic to start. That'll kind of fill in south of I-70, and some of these could be a little bit interesting as we get on the other side of midnight. Could be a little on the strong side. We haven't really had to talk about anything like that since the beginning of December around mid-Missouri. But again, the window's fairly narrow. It's going to be into the early morning hours. Tomorrow morning's commute likely going to be soggy for some of us, but we're pushing those showers and thunderstorms out of here pretty early tomorrow morning. Here's a look at that severe threat. And again, this is from the Storm Prediction Center. They're highlighting anywhere along and south of I-70 with your best bet a little closer to I-44. We're still thinking most of that strong to severe thunderstorm activity is going to stay to our south. But if anything does show up tomorrow morning, likely going to be bringing some gusty winds. That looks like the easiest threat to come by into tomorrow. That ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. A lot of ups and downs into it. We're going up today, but we're coming down throughout the day on Tuesday, and we're stuck in the upper 20s Wednesday, Thursday into Friday, which means we're cold enough to possibly see some snow chances. Our best shot at that looks like it's going to be centered around Thursday.